In the previous lesson, we learned about the importance of data in policy advocacy. In this lesson, we would learn how to present data in a visual way that is attention-grabbing, easy to read and clear. But how do we make our data look great? That is the focus of this lesson. Let's get started. Data visualization means translating information or data into a visual context, such as maps, graphs or infographics, and even animations to make it easier for people to understand and draw insights. Data visualization allows your audience to easily identify your patterns, trends, and key data points in large data sets. After data is collected and processed, it must be visualized to make it easy for conclusions and faster decisions to be made. Different data types requires different approaches or techniques to data visualization. Let's look at some of these techniques, which are picture representation of line charts, pie charts, area charts, maps, tree maps, population, pyramids, and infographics. To create a compelling and engaging visualization for your data, these are a few steps to follow. Step 1. Understand your audience. First, you need to understand your audience. You must be very clear who exactly is going to use the data to make decisions. Before you start making any visual, your audience should be your primary consideration. Some of the questions you must ask in analyzing your audiences include, but are not limited to, what is your audience numeracy level? What is your audience data visualization familiarity level? How much time does your audience have to go through your visualization? What kind of information does your audience need to make decisions? How much precision is required to convey the right message? Now, step 2. Choose the right visualization technique. The key message you want to pass with your data informs the visualization technique you use. Make sure you choose the technique that represents your data in a simple, clear, and easy to understand format. 3. Choose a data visualization tool. Once you have got a rough mental idea of what your visualization might look like, sit down and build the first draft of your visualization on the computer. There are dozens of software programs available for building data visualization, such as Tableau, Infogram, Chat Blocks, Data Wrapper, Google Charts, Fusion Charts, and many more. Step 4. Sorting. This involves getting rid of all unnecessary elements in your visualization. This makes your visualization cleaner and thus more likely to be read by people, and it also makes it easy for people to easily identify what is important. Step 5. Clarify your message with colors and text. Colors are one of the most powerful elements of any visualization. Hence, you must choose colors that pass the right messages. Also make sure all titles, subtitles, and annotations are written. Step 6. Test your draft with an assessment. It is important that when you're done with your draft, you go over it and assess it with a checklist to make sure nothing is left out. You can also review. Once you're done, you can share your visualization with your audience. Congratulations! We have come to the end of the session on data visualization. Hopefully, you now understand why data visualization is very important in your advocacy efforts and how you can visualize data in a simple, clear, and compelling manner. But what if all these data are not credible? How does the credibility of the data you present impact your advocacy efforts? We will learn more about that in the next lesson.